In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Apex Legends account Xbox to PS5. So make sure you watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first you have to search for EA. Then you have to go on this website, Electronic Arts homepage, official EA site. Now here on this website, you have to click on profile icon in the top right side here, and then here click on sign in. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one, but if you already have account, so click on sign in. Then here you can sign in using Google, Facebook, Apple, Steam, Xbox, PSN, or you can use your phone number or email and password and click on sign in. So let me sign in quickly. So after you sign in, you have to again click on the profile icon here in the top right corner. Then you have to click on account settings. Now here in account settings, in the bottom left side, you will see connections. Click on it. Now here you will see PSN PlayStation Network. So here you have to click on the link button. And now here it says we'll send a verification code to your email. So you have to click on send code and check your email and enter the code here. So after you have entered the code, click on sign in and wait for it to load, and this will take you to the playstation.com. so here you have to enter your PlayStation email address. So after entering, click on next, then enter here password and click on sign in. So here for me it says that my account is already linked, but if your account isn't already linked, you will get the here option to link your account. So you have to click on link and your account will be linked, your PlayStation 5 account will be linked to the EA Apex Legends account. And so this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.